Today you will learn about 7 natural antibiotics. Before the development of modern medicine as we know it today, people already had their natural ways of healing, like Ayurveda and traditional Chinese medicine. Besides feeding us, many natural ingredients can also be used as natural antibiotics. There's no doubt, of course, that prescribed antibiotics like penicillin caused a deep revolution in the treatment of fatal diseases since their discovery 80 years ago. However, experts have shown that up to 20% of patients treated with antibiotics show adverse reactions that vary from mild allergic reactions to serious gastrointestinal disorders. Because of that, and sometimes because of a tight budget, more and more people are turning to natural, popular medicines that include natural antibiotics. Here are 7 natural antibiotics that include aromatic plants, herbs, and spices that you have at home, and that are very useful to alleviate discomforts and prevent infections and diseases. Eucalyptus. Eucalyptus is used for colds and respiratory issues and its associated symptoms like cough, sore throat, and nasal congestion. It can also be used for diseases like asthma, and in case of angina, a gargle with eucalyptus is recommended. Caribbean trumpet tree. Originally from South America, this tree contains substances that are efficient in the treatment of viral, bacterial, and fungal infections. It also strengthens the immune system and can neutralize many diseases without side effects. According to natural health experts, the Caribbean trumpet tree should be used instead of antibiotics to treat more common infections. Manuka honey. Manuka honey has antibiotic properties, even though it is a little hard to find it. Whenever you feel like you're coming down with a cold, taking some teaspoons of this honey during the day will boost your recovery and strengthen your immune system. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Coneflower, Echinacea. Did you know that the leaves and flowers from a coneflower have strong antibiotic and antiviral properties? This plant can even help to alleviate the symptoms of colds and flu. When you feel a cold approaching, all you need to do is enjoy a cup of Echinacea tea, and it will stop your symptoms from worsening or even completely prevent its development. If you are already down with a cold, this tea will help your immune system to recover faster. Oregano. Oregano is not just an aromatic herb used to flavor dishes, but also a truly medicinal herb. Thanks to its therapeutic properties, it can be used as a natural analgesic, antiseptic, and antispasmodic. Additionally, its essential oil has strong antibacterial properties and is used in aromatherapy to treat diseases related to the respiratory system. Neem. With antifungal, antibacterial, antiviral, and antiparasitic properties, neem oil is a powerful healing agent used in traditional Indian medicine. Juniper. Juniper is originally from Europe and has many properties, such as helping lower blood pressure, improving kidney function and digestion, stimulating the appetite, and eliminating flatulence. It is also used to treat colds and coughs, and alleviates the pains of period cramps and urinary tract infections. Juniper also improves the appearance of skin and has a pleasant aroma that is useful for aromatherapy. So, did you know any of these natural antibiotics? Have you ever tried a natural antibiotic? How did it go? Share your experience with us in the comments below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.